Hi all. In last session, we saw what is package in Java. In this session, let's understand what is access modifiers in Java. Okay. So access modifiers, we are having four types of access modifiers. Okay. Let's see what is those, how to use it. One is private, another is public. Apart from this private and public, we are having two more. Let's see with an example. Okay. So I am having a project. So you see, there is two packages. One is demo package, another is tools package. Inside the tools package, there is two classes. One is calculator, another is advanced calculator. And let's see, I'm opening this calculator, and here there is a method add. Let me add a variable called int a equal to 10, I will say. And this calculator class present in this package, and I'm trying to access this variable a in other package. The other package is demo. So how to access that? We need to, if I'll access a variable of a method, that calculator, we need to create an object, right? Because it is an instance variable. So let me create a object of that. New calculator. And I will say calc dot a. You see, that is present in other packages. So we are not able to access it. So we'll do one thing. Here we'll make it public. Now you see, this is our class and these things, this curly bracket is not required. Okay. So we are able to access 10 because we made it public. If we'll make it, if we'll remove it, so we are not able to access. So that means public, if we'll define public, you can access outside of the package. Anywhere we can access. If we'll make it private, then you cannot access. It is private, you cannot access. So how to access this private? You remember, private data member can be accessed only inside this class. You cannot access outside of the class. So you can access here. You have to create the object here and you have to access. You see, private data member you can access inside the class. So two things you know now. What is that? If it is public, you can access anywhere outside of the package, inside of the package, anywhere you can access. If it is private, you can access only inside the class, in the same class, and you cannot access anywhere. So two access specifier we know. Apart from this public and private, we are having another two. What is that? One is default, another is protected. Let's see. So you know what is public, what is private. I am just removing it. So here I am not mentioning anything. So what happened? It is not private, it is not protected, it is not public. we have not mentioned anything. That means it is default. Default means it is present in this tools package. You cannot access outside of the package. That's what we are getting error. But what about this inside package? Let me create another class. I will create a class called as ABC. And here what I will create an object of this calculator. And here I will try to access. You see, forget about this demo. So we are able to access or not? You see, we are able to access. You see, if it is default, we can access in the same package, but in not in outside of the package. We cannot access outside of the package if it is default. Same package and in same class. If it is default, you can access in same class as well. You can access here also because it is default. Yes, you need to create object inside a main method. Okay, you can access inside a class, you can access, and outside a class but with the same package you can access. That is called default. Okay, and one more is protected. Okay, so if we'll define this is as protected. Okay, if we'll make this variable as protected. Okay, if it is protected, you see, you cannot access outside of the package. So you define in this package, tools package, you cannot access here. But if the demo is extends from this calculator and we are having a method here, public void, let's say ABC. Here we can access A, but we cannot access outside of this subclass. Okay, you see, like this you need to access because this A it is defined protected in this calculator class, right? And as it is protected, it is inheriting to this demo and we need to use directly. If we'll try to use by creating an object, it's not possible. Calculator.a, it is not visible to the object. We need to define its public if we wanted to access that. So we need to access here like this and you can call this ABC here, ABC method. Okay, you create the object of this demo class and call that ABC method. Okay, already sysout is there. Why one more sysout? Not required. Directly will call. You see, we are able to access. That means if it is protected in different package we can access, but if it is subclass, it is simple now. You see, if it is private, so we can access only in that class. Nowhere we can access. If it is protected, we can access same class in other class in same package. Other package if it is inherited, if it is subclass. If it is public, everywhere we can access. If it is default, same class and same package. Will not access in other package. It is simple. Okay. So access modifier, if you are writing a API, if you are writing a class, generally it will be class or interfaces. Generally it will be public. Classes and all you will define as public. And methods you will define as public or private or protected also. Generally it will be public. If it is public, anywhere you can use. And if until and unless you are not required, you will not make as private. Private means only that particular class only can use. And data members, setters, getters, generally it will be private. And other data members, generally it will be private until you will not use globally, right? These are the best practices. Okay, I hope this session is valuable. If really you got something, please like it. There is a dislike button also, you can dislike it if you don't like, if you did not get anything. Please comment in this video so that it will be motivate me. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it. It is meaning a lot to me. If any doubt, please comment in my video, I will respond it. Thank you so much for watching this video.